Hi there, and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian, and today we're going to be looking at this Hyundai HYM530SPE lawnmower, and specifically we're going to look at changing the spark plug and the air filter. So we'll start with the air filter. To remove the air filter out of housing, you'll see this plastic clip here which needs to be pulled out, and then the outer casing of the air filter will hinge around, and you'll see the two barbs on the far side here which simply unhook from the two little slots. So that's the outer cover removed. Now to remove the air filter, you can just simply pull it away from its elongated housing here. So that's the air filter removed. So it is a paper element. It can be blown off or with a soft brush to remove any loose debris. I do it away from the air filter itself or from the carburetor. And it can be blown out with some compressed air or a can of compressed air to remove the worst of any debris on the filter itself. And it can be reused and cleaned a few times. If it gets particularly fouled, then obviously it will need to be replaced, and replacement air filters are readily available from our parts department. So with our air filter clean, we just make sure that there's no dust around inside the air filter box. Again, this can be cleaned with just a damp cloth, but make sure it's thoroughly dry before you put the air filter back in. Okay, so to replace the air filter, much the same as you took it off, just locate it, matching up with the shape, and push it firmly home back into position. And again, to replace the door, keeping it the right way up, we can simply hook the two hinges back in on the left hand side, hinge it around, and you heard it click. It clicks firmly back into position. And it's as simple as that. That's the air filter changed. So moving on to changing the spark plug, the first thing we need to do is to remove the spark plug cap. So we can gently pull the spark plug cap away from the spark plug. Don't yank on it because there's a danger you'll pull the cable out of the spark plug cap, this cable here, the HT cable. We can just tuck the spark plug cap to one side. So this reveals the spark plug. So we can use the spark plug removal tool or box spanner that was supplied with the mower. You'll see it has a small hexagon and a large hexagon. We need the large hexagon down over the top of the spark plug. And again, using the lever bar that was supplied, we can fit the lever bar, and we're going to turn this anti-clockwise. There we go. And it's broken loose. So now unscrew it most of the way with a spanner. I can remove the spanner and then unscrew the spark plug the final few turns by hand. Okay, so that's the spark plug removed. If you need a replacement spark plug, it's an F7 RTC spark plug. And again, these are readily available from our parts department. So having cleaned or purchased a new spark plug for replacement, we're going to put the spark plug back in, but we're just going to put it in by hand. We're going to make sure that it screws into the hole by hand. We're not using the spanner at this stage to make sure we don't cross thread it. So I'll screw it in as far as I can turn it by hand until it comes to a stop. There we are. So that's almost fully home. Back on with the spark plug spanner, making sure it's sat over the hexagon, and to tighten it, this time clockwise. There we go, and that's tight. With a new spark plug, it does have a compression ring or a collapsible ring on the bottom, and you may find that it'll turn like a third of a turn as you tighten it up as it compresses the ring. But just make sure it's tight. Okay, so that done. Get the spark plug cap, line it back up over the spark plug, and press the spark plug cap firmly home. So there we are, that's the spark plug changed. So there we are, a quick simple demonstration on changing the air filter and the spark plug on your HYM530SPE lawnmower. I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.